Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to recover and reopen a closed DM on Discord. So let's get started. First, just open the Discord app in your PC and then normally your direct message will appear in this conversations list on the left side like as you can see it. And then now let's close one of the DMs. Just click on the X icon next to the present profile like this, and then just like that the conversations will disappear from your TM list. But don't worry, it isn't deleted. You have only hidden it from the sidebar. And then to reopen the DM, just simply tap on this all friends like this, and then just find and select the Discord contact that you want to chat with again. Like for example, in here I want to chat this contact, and then next just simply tap on the message icon, this one, and your conversations will instantly reappear in your TM list, and your old messages are still there like this. You can see, and just like that, you can continue chatting as usual. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.